Hey guys, welcome to Techtricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use your own image in Leonardo AI, add your image to AI, and make any image with your face. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today, we've got something really exciting to show you. We'll be diving into the world of AI artistry by using your own image with Leonardo AI. So, this means you can create amazing images with your face on them. So, if you're ready to get creative, you'll just need to head onto leonardo.ai, or you could search that one onto your local browser. But just a quick overview onto what is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a cutting edge platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create striking and often surreal images. So it allows users to upload their own images and use AI models to generate unique and imaginative artwork. With Leonardo AI, you can experiment with various AI models, customize settings like style and resolution, and even incorporate your own face into generated images. So this platform is not only a fun and creative tool, but also a testament to the capabilities of AI in the field of digital art. So these are actually some of the examples that are done by other users. So whether you're an artist looking for inspiration or just curious about the possibilities of AI generated art, Leonardo AI offers an exciting and accessible way to explore the fusion of technology and creativity. So Leonardo's power extends beyond the revolutionary tools. So they are actually anchored in one of the largest and most supportive AI communities worldwide. And as you can see, here are different testaments coming from the different users as well. Now, for you to be able to create your next artwork with the power of Leonardo AI, you should be able to start using Leonardo with no credit card needed. So you'll just need to click on to start using Leonardo. Then right after, you should be able to notice that you need to get whitelisted to be able to sign in. So if you aren't on the early access list, you need to register below. You'll just need to type in your first name, also add in your email, and then click on to count me in, and then you'll get redirected to another page wherein it gives you some prompts to follow. So you'll just need to finish all of them, and then right after, you'll just need to head back onto this website in here and click onto yes, I'm whitelisted. Then right after, you should get redirected onto this page wherein it gives you an option to log in with Apple, Google, or Microsoft, or you could type in your email in here and your password. So you also have a forgot your password option in here if you have forgotten it, and you'll just need to click on to sign in. So if you don't have an account yet, you'll just need to click on to sign up. And if you're not aware as well, Leonardo AI is now available on iOS. So you could also see the privacy policy and their terms of service here onto the bottom part. So personally, what I like to do in here is just simply log in on using my Google account. Now, right after, once you're in, this is what Leonardo AI's dashboard would look like. You should be able to see the different featured models or the reference that you're going to use onto generating your image. So we have the photo reel, dream shaper, 3D animation style, and anime pastel dream, and you could use these arrow buttons in here to scroll for more. So you can see this Luna in here. You could also see the isometric, the paper art style, cute animals, vintage, spirit creatures. We also have your pixel art. So if you want to have your photo onto a pixel art form, you could use this model and many more. Now, if you scroll down for a little bit in here, you should be able to see the recent creation of other users. So we can see all of them, and you could just also filter them by upscale or by trending, new or to top. So as you can see, here are some of the samples. You could actually use this recent creation as a reference or to have your imagination works freely and to find some references. So you could have these ideas onto your generations as well because you could see their prompts as well in here. So you could also leave a like onto that or follow the designer. Now here onto the left side, we actually see the tokens in here. So these tokens are what we're going to use as per generation. And if you click onto upgrade in here, you should be able to see the different plans that Leonardo AI offers. So we have the free plan, apprentice, the artisan, and maestro. And if you scroll down in here, you should be able to see the different plan details. So make sure to read all through this so that if you've found something that you've liked, you could just simply subscribe to it. So let's head back to the dashboard. And you could also see the community feed, wherein it also has the recent creation or works of other user, your own personal feed, so you should be able to see your own generations in here. You also have the followers feed and the like feed, or should be able to see the different image that you've liked. Now we have also the training and data sets, wherein you could also create your own model, the fine-tuned models that you have seen earlier onto the homepage, and also the user tools. We have the AI image generation, AI canvas, texture generation, the settings, fact and help, and the log out button. And first, to be able to get started adding your own image, just simply click onto the AI image generation. Now, once you're already onto the AI image generation, you should be able to see the type of prompt in here, or where you would be able to type in what you want to see onto your photo. So we have the fine-tune model. So we have chosen Leonardo diffusion for this. We also have the different styles, which is dynamic and many more in here. And you could also add in a negative prompt. So these negative prompt is what you don't want to see onto your image. So you'll just need to type it in here so that the AI would generate something without those things. So here onto the left side, you could see the tokens, the number of images that it will generate. So we could have up until 8. We also have the photoreal, prompt magic, the alchemy, the public images, and the input dimension. So you could choose from the different dimensions in here. You could also customize or just choose a ratio. We also have your guidance scale. So this is how strongly your prompt is weighted. So you could adjust this so that the generation would base onto the prompt that we have in here, the control net, which allows you to influence your generation with the images in here, and the tilling, which is ideal for repeating textures or background. So we have two options in here to add our image, the image to image and image prompt. So we'll just need to upload or drag a photo in here and image to use as an input. So we're gonna use the setting in here, and let's drag in our own portrait. So I actually have a photo in here. So this one is actually from Free Peak. So I've got this one, and you could also add in your own photo in here. So we're just gonna use this as reference, and we'll drag it in here. And as you can see, another feature has pop up, which is the image trend. So the higher it is, the higher it will preserve the original image more. Now let's go ahead and type in a prompt so that we could recreate something out of this portrait. Now, as you can see, I have here the prompt, which is 4K concept art of a realistic fairy guy with silver hair, close-up, dressed in futuristic armor, cinematic feel, trending on artisan. And let's go ahead and try to see using this in its trend and this guidance scale in here. Let's try to see what it will give us. So I think I would like to adjust more the in its trend in here so that it would look more onto the photo in here. And let's just click on to generate. And as you can see, this will use 4 tokens. And as you can see, here are the photos that generated. So this is the first one, and this is the other one. So I kind of like the second photo since it resembles a lot more onto the reference photo that we have, or the portrait that we have added. So we have actually the options in here to delete the image, download it, copy it, and also unzoom and remove the background. So you can make use of those tools and also make use onto the different settings in here. You could simply adjust them and just simply click on to generate again, so that you should be able to see a different styles onto the photos. And here are some of the generations that we did as well. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and also did a lot of generation by trying to adjust the init strength in here, and also the guidance scale, so that you should be able to achieve what you want to see onto your photo. So I think the best one that I have in here onto this generation is this photo in here. So I kind of like how this one turned out. And if you want to have the same photos as well using your own portrait, you'll just need to follow those steps so that you should be able to learn how to use Leonardo AI to create your own portrait. And there you have it. Thank you very much for joining us today. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.